Hi everyone, you're welcome to ID Best Beauty and Skincare channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please try and do that in order to be updated anytime I post new videos. In today's video, I want to introduce to you a soap I have been using for a while now. This soap has done wonders to my skin. Okay guys, this is the mind-blowing soap I told you guys earlier about. This soap, it's a tablet soap anyway. It's an organic soap. This is what it looks like. You can see that. I don't want to open this one because I have, okay, let me just open it so that you can see in case you want to get yours. You'll be able to know the real soap and some other thing in what people are selling in the market. 100% honey, you can see. So I want to show you the ingredients. Natural honey, aloe vera, shea butter, the ionized water, camwood, natural oil. It's enriched with vitamin A and E, etc. So this soap is a Nigerian made soap. You can see that, manufactured in Nigeria by Runo Integrated Industry Limited. So it is made in Ughelli, Delta State. So you can see the telephone number in case you want to order yours. You call these numbers. Check them out on your Facebook. Check them. This soap helps prevent stretch marks, antibacterial, and after shaving. It's also good for men after shaving, actually, antibacterials. And let me check here. Treatment and prevention of skin infection, vitamin skin color, restore damaged skin, remove rashes and spots, give rich creamy leather that leaves your skin with radiant glow. Alright guys, that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that.